Today I'm going to be making a chocolate custard cake. So what I'm going to be using is the Happy Way cacao powder, and I'm also using the triple choc fudge protein. However, you don't need to use both of these. I just want to make it extra chocolatey. Also using tofu as the main ingredient. I've got some pyramidal dates that I've soaked overnight. These are the dried ones, however you can use fresh. Some raw almonds, desiccated coconut, coconut cream, date syrup for the sweetener, maple syrup will also work great, vanilla extract, and melted coconut oil. So there's two parts to this recipe. To make the crust, I'm simply going to be adding the dates, coconut and almonds into the food processor and blitzing that until it forms a nice doughy consistency. And then I'll be lining a springform tin, placing the crust into the bottom of that, pressing it down, and then I'll make the chocolate custard. And I'll be doing that in the blender. And I'll simply be adding all the remaining ingredients into the blender, blending that until it's nice and smooth and creamy, pouring that mixture on top of the crust, setting that aside in the freezer for a couple of hours so that it sets. When that's set, I'm simply going to top it off with some whipped coconut cream and some chocolate and fresh fruit.